Hi everyone, today we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing of my new camera, the Olympus Tough TG-6. Now this is a really cool little action camera that I've been kind of wanting for a while, and I've recently been doing a lot more underwater photography, as you may have noticed from my channel, and I wanted a camera that was capable of doing underwater macro work and just being sort of an all-around thing I can take along with me, like on my upcoming trip to the Olympus Peninsula, and do underwater video of marine life. And take underwater photos too, of course. So anyway, this seems to be just about the best one on the market, and that'll be one of the things I'm testing out, and which I'll be bringing a review later on in the month of August about this camera. And that's something to look forward to. But for now we're just going to get right into the unboxing of this thing. Of course, we have all the manuals and warranty stuff. And in here, power cable, power adapter, battery, wrist strap. Now, I will say a few things about these accessories that it does come with. The wrist strap, I will probably not be using. I'm going to be instead using a floaty wrist strap, sort of like a life jacket for the camera, so that if I drop it while it's out, I have it out over the water, it'll just float and not sink straight to the bottom like a stone and just disappear into oblivion. So yeah, and regarding the power cable, the camera charges the battery inside of the camera. It doesn't come with a specific battery charger, which I would have really liked. I like having a separate charger so I can have multiple batteries and charge it at once, and so that's a bit of a bummer, but I've only got one battery, so it doesn't really matter. I couldn't actually get a second battery before my trip, so I'm just gonna have to hope that this thing holds enough juice to get me through a couple days out in the wilderness. And now for the main event though, we have the camera itself, and here it is in all its glory. And it really is a very pretty camera. I got it in red, of course. Why would I get the black? It's so boring. Anyway, I got the red model, and it really feels pretty chunky and substantial. It's got a nice feeling grip there, which is something that's kind of unusual in these sort of rugged action cameras. They are too often kind of smooth, and you really do want a grip when you have something that you're going to be using in, which is designed to be used in really adverse conditions. So yeah, that's nice to have. And the buttons and dials all feel, they're okay. They're a little bit plasticky. This one up on top, that is especially plasticky. That's not so great. But you know, overall the build quality seems to be pretty good. And of course you have the battery compartment, which has a lock on it, since this is an underwater camera and you do not want the battery getting exposed to water there. And so then I also got the LG1 ring light that Olympus makes as an accessory for this. And you know, accessories for this camera, there are actually quite a few really cool ones. Olympus has a really neat system. And so this is just a little ring light that channels the LED light on the front of the camera down into this ring light around the lens for some really good, nice macro capabilities. And to attach it, you just press this unlock button here, and like on a DSLR, you pop off that there, and you attach this right there. And now you have a macro LED light that you can just snap on there. And this is the same way it works with the lenses. Olympus sells telephoto, whiting, I think a fisheye lens for this camera that just snap into this thing. You can change it even underwater in any kind of conditions. You can just pop off whatever thing you have on there and stick on another one. It's really simple and easy to do, and it's an awesome system to have. And that was one of the things that really attracted me to this specific action camera, is that capability of customizing the camera. It's really cool and unusual. And yeah, I think this is going to be a really fun system to try out. I can't wait to show you some of the photos and videos I take with it over the next week or so. Probably going to be a couple weeks before I can put together a review, maybe 3 or 4. So expect a full review around the middle of August, maybe a little bit later. But should be a lot of fun to take to Olympic National Park, I gotta say that. And of course, I'll have at least one video from that trip, maybe a couple. I've been planning to spend pretty much the whole time filming videos. It's gonna be fun, especially after all this time stuck at home. It's gonna be great to finally get out and start exploring again in more distant areas. And you know, thanks everyone so much for watching. We're nearly at the 1,000 subscriber mark here on Illuminations from the Attic, and that is a big deal to me. I mean, for a lot of people that's not, you know, a major milestone, but for I've worked towards that goal for years now, and it's really exciting to be approaching it. I'm so grateful to all the people who've brought my channel this far and who have stuck around and stayed watching my videos. I appreciate every single one of you, and I can't wait to see you again in the next video. So until then, I'm gonna sign off and go get my backpack packed up and get ready to go. And yeah, thanks again so much for watching. Bye.